Before you came round, my heart would never be much faster. Before you came round, I was ready to slow down. Before you came round, I was heading for a small disaster.
Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. This week I'm going to show you how to create a really cute boho Dreamcatcher for under $5. Really quick though, if you're not already, go ahead and subscribe down below and hit that little notification bell button so you know when I upload videos every week. So without further ado, let's get started. What you will need for this DIY is a spool of yarn, a wooden dowel, a metal hoop, measuring tape, and scissors. I got all of my supplies at my local Michael's craft store. First, mark your wooden dowel at 1 inch from the end.
Let it go, make my body go. Take our bodies higher and higher and higher.
Next, measure and cut two 18-inch strands of yarn.
Go higher and higher. I was found. I felt like I could drain the ocean. I was found.
Now take your two pieces of yarn and tie a 1-inch loop.
And my soul beats a sound loud enough to quiet the thunder. In love with no doubt, and now I'm never gonna slow down.
Take the two remaining ends and tie a knot at the 1-inch mark on either side of your wooden dowel. Next, place your hoop in the middle of the triangle, tie a knot onto your hoop. Measure and cut yarn to appropriate length and tie your yarn to 1-inch loop. Now we're going to measure and cut the tassels for your Dreamcatcher. First, measure a 16-inch strand and loop it 12 times and cut to length. Next, measure a 14-inch strand of yarn and loop it 12 times and cut the yarn. You will complete this step twice.
Our feet on the ground and we will talk with our head in the clouds.
Now you will do the same but with a 12-inch strand, 10-inch strand, 8-inch strand, and 6-inch strand, completing each step twice.
I was ready to slow down. Before you came round, I was heading for a small disaster. Before you came round, I was ready to blow me down.
Now that all tassel lengths have been measured and cut, tie them onto your wooden dowel in descending order.
Let it go, make my body go. Take our bodies higher and higher and higher. We can go until the morning glow. We can go higher and higher. I was found. I felt like I could drain the ocean. Before I was found, I didn't want to breathe out. And my soul beats a sound loud enough to quiet the thunder. In love with no doubt, and now I'm never gonna slow down. Never gonna slow
Now it's time to cut the loops to create the tassels. You have now completed your Boho Dreamcatcher. So there you have it, you guys. That is how you can make your very own Boho Dreamcatcher for under $5. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and go ahead and subscribe down below and hit that notification bell button if you want to see more videos like this, because I really had a blast filming this for you guys, and I hope that you love your new Dreamcatcher and this inspires you to create some DIYs of your own. See you guys next week. Bye, guys.
Before you came round, my heart would never beat much faster. Before you came round, I was ready to stop.